Hey guys! So for today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 ways on how you can create overnight oats. So our first flavor is a choco banana. So we'll need 1 banana, half a cup of oats, and chocolate milk. So it's up to you if you can use regular milk, and you can just add cocoa powder to it. But for this one, I opted to use chocolate milk. Since I'm using this type of milk, I used the whole thing. So 1 pack is 180 ml, so that's about less than a cup. So for extra protein, I'll just add black chia seeds, flax seeds, and I think this will go well with some sliced almonds and raw cacao nibs. By the way guys, if you're looking for healthy ingredients like these ones, you can check out Nutrifine's PH on Shopee. So they sell slightly smaller serving sizes of these types of seeds and other supplements. So I'm just adding the sliced banana. So I really like adding the bananas when I prepare the overnight oats, just so the flavors really come together. Though you see me here, I'm just topping it with cacao nibs and almonds, and then let's close it up and put it in the ref. Okay, so this next one is honestly an experiment, but I think it really turned out great. So I'm creating a banoffee pie inspired overnight oats. So I'll just prepare this with the same ratio using 1/2 cup of oats and the whole 180 ml pack of Almond Breezes latte flavored milk. For added nutrients, I'm just going to add the chia seeds and flax seeds like I did in the first one. And for this one, I'm also using sliced banana since we're making a banoffee pie. And to mimic that banoffee pie crust, I'm just going to crumble a couple of digestive biscuits and add it into the mix. Lastly, I'm going to top this with cacao nibs to mimic that chocolate shavings that we usually get in banoffee pies. Okay, so for the third one, it's actually inspired by the strawberry matcha drink. So for this one, I'm going to make a healthier version of that using Almond Breezes matcha milk, along with the strawberry syrup that I freshly made using fresh strawberries, coconut sugar, honey, and a little bit of water. Similar to the first 2 recipes, I just added chia seeds and golden flax seeds, but for this one I also opted to add some pumpkin seeds and also sunflower seeds. By the way guys, I also got these seeds from Nutrifine, so I'm also gonna be making some granola recipe using these seeds, so I hope you can watch out for that. Okay, so the last recipe is actually a really common one, but I don't really want to leave this out because this is actually my favorite as well. So for this one, we'll be making banana peanut butter overnight oats. So similar to the other recipes, I'm still using 1/2 cup of oats, but for this one, I'm using Almond Breezes vanilla flavored milk. This is their unsweetened kind, and for this one, I just estimated about 1/2 cup of milk. By the way guys, I'm not sure if you noticed, but for this one, I mashed up the banana since I feel that it brings out the flavor even more if I mash it like that. And you'll see me here just adding the basic seeds that I have, which is the chia seeds and the flax seeds. And of course, let's not forget the peanut butter and mix it all in. Last but not the least, my secret ingredient to everything banana peanut butter is cinnamon. And that's it guys, I hope you like this video and I hope you give these recipes a try.